Now, we are going to cover the most powerful part of Porcupine AI, Smart Mode. Smart Mode adapts dynamically using live interview context and supports system design, coding rounds, screenshot questions, and even follow-up code changes instantly. Let's start with a system design example. Design a URL shortener like bit.ly. How would you handle scalability, collisions, analytics, and high availability? So here's a productivity feature. I can either directly click on the highlighted question, or I can simply select the important part of the live transcription. The moment I select it, Porcupine AI automatically shows a floating Ask AI button. When I click the floating Ask AI button, Porcupine AI sends only the selected text to Smart Mode. So instead of responding to the entire transcript, it generates a clean, structured system design answer focused only on what I selected. This keeps the response precise and saves time during real-time interviews. Now, the input text box is for anytime prompts. Even if something is not present in the transcription, you can ask anything here anytime, like a built-in search for whatever you are looking for. Let's take an example. So now I can either click on Ask button, or I can simply enter. So transcription helps capture what's being said, and the input box helps you drive anything you want whenever you want. Now, for coding interviews, many problems are shown on screen. Instead of manually typing the entire question, we use Capture to instantly send the screenshot to Porcupine AI. Let's take an example of this coding question. To get a perfect code answer, I'll just simply give a prompt in input text box as code, and I will hit enter, or I can simply click on ask button. Now, Smart Mode generates the complete solution code on the left. On the right, Porcupine AI generates the explanation. By default, you get a human-style explanation, easy to speak in the interview. And when I click switch, it converts into block-by-block logic explanation. This is perfect when the interviewer asks, walk me through your code. And you can always resize the screens anytime you want. You can replace them on your screen whenever you want. When I click complexity, Porcupine AI extracts the key follow-up interview answers automatically. You get the complexity, space complexity, and output guidance, so you can answer complexity questions confidently without guessing. Now here is a critical real interview feature. Interview Interviewer don't just accept the first solution, they ask follow-up changes. Instead of rewriting code, we use hash prompt to modify the existing solution. So for an instance, I will just simply give hash and I will give a follow prompt like convert this into JavaScript. This updates the existing code logic based on the new requirements. So hash prompt is the fastest way to adapt to cross questions without starting over.